Well, 29th of September 2022. Thought for the day, it's the 41st anniversary of the death of my father. Yeah, perhaps not the jolliest way of starting the day, but what we're going to have for lunch shortly is cucumber on ham sandwiches. Yeah, that will be good. And the purpose of all of the climbing about in the loft space, look at this. Right, there's a light switch. We go like that and the light comes on. Oh, now we'll leave that light switch alone. Still got to tidy up and remantle all of the conduit. But if we come along, don't touch that light switch because that's the bathroom light. But if we come along to this switch, we go like that and the light goes out. Magic, isn't it? Yeah. I'm sort of pleased with myself. I've got all of the tidying up to do as a result of the works. But yeah, that's progress. That's progress.